Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the most perfect lamp for my little reading nook. If you want to elevate your space without having to do hard wiring or a whole lot of work, you are going to love this Boho rattan pendant lamp from Epinl. It comes with everything you need to hang this up, and it has just such a unique design with a very, very long cord, so you can put this virtually anywhere. I love that it is dimmable and it is just so beautiful the way that the light is diffused through this hand woven rattan. It is literally the most perfect thing from this spot. And whether you're elevating a reading nook like I have, putting this in your bedroom or an entryway, you are going to love it. I have given my reading space a major upgrade with this lamp. And if you are looking for an amazing piece of lighting, then you need to get this too. And that's my point of view.